This is the Hyatt Regency downtown Phoenix. So you got your iron, spare blankets, coat hangers, ironing board, place to store shoes, full length mirror upon entry. And this is the 2 queen room and superior room, so it's got a higher floor. We're on floor 20. Decent flat screen, decent little desk. Yeah, it comes with an in-room safe and a fridge. And this is right downtown Phoenix, within probably a 10-minute walk to Chase Field. And the basketball arena is right over that direction too, so everything's probably about 10-15 minutes. So there you have it. Phoenix Hyatt Regency downtown. Click comment, subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later.